To the people of Sugbo, maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan. I address you today as your governor with a message of calm, preparedness, and concern. Aduna na putay laing hagit giatubang ang Bagyong Tino. But I want to assure each and every one of you, especially our towns who are still recovering from the September 30 earthquake, that you are not facing this alone. Even before the weekend, we already started working closely with our mayors, department heads, and national agencies. Ato na ang i-activate ang disaster preparedness plan aron mapangandama nato ang tanan. Aduna pod special disaster preparedness plan alang sa mga lungsod nga apektado sa linog. We need a special plan for these areas because we still have communities in 10 cities and a lot more who are traumatized with the disaster. Ubos sa atong disaster preparedness plan, naka-preposition na ang atong food packs and essential supplies. On standby na atong response team and heavy equipment. Open and ready na ang atong communication lines. And mobilized na ang atong medical teams. All provincial departments are also on alert. And our PDRRMO continues close coordination with local DRRMOs as well as the Coast Guard, PNP, AFP, DPWH, Navy, and other agencies. To our brothers and sisters in the north, in Sugod, Tabugon, Borbon, Bugo, Daan Bantayan, San Remigio, Midilien, Tabuelan, and Bantayan Island, and all nearby towns, please know nga di mo na mo pasagdan. We understand your fears after the quake and aftershocks. Lisod, pero andam ta. We will protect life and ensure your safety. Apan mangayo pod ko sa inyong tabang. Kung kinahanglan mag-evacuate, please cooperate. Listen to official advisories only. Ug dili ta mo kumpiyansa. To our responders and volunteers, daghang salamat. As always, your service reflects the heart of our province. Padayon ta, we will weather this together. Isip usa ka komunidad, isip usa ka probinsya, because ato ang Sugbo ug walay usa nga pasagdan. Amping kanunay, ug let us keep our faith and let's keep calm. Daghang salamat and God bless Sugbo.